Good morning, people. So I just actually created a new tool for myself to capture all of the thoughts that come to my head. But, unfortunately, if I start working on them, then I lose track of whatever it was that I'm currently working on. So I just going to show this to you in action. So I'm currently using a Mac and I've set up my own hotkeys. You can use this on Windows as well and, you know, have it set up your own hotkeys. This is like a game changer if you're working on Notion in particular because Notion offers API integrations. I'm pretty sure if you can give the GitHub repository that I'm going to link in the description as well, plus show you guys here. This is the one what it's called. You can go to my profile on GitHub called Adonis Cyril. This is a public repo right here, and you can take this as well. And you give this to Cloud or Codex, they will be able to help you set this up for Windows as well or any other tool besides Notion as well. So essentially, how it is working is that it's going to call basically a script command, right? And a script command is basically a repeatable command that lives on your machine itself. So you can say it's a script command. And the important part right here is that it's going to function through Raycast. Raycast is basically one of the best softwares out there. Every time I press like this window that appeared right here, it's through command spacebar on my machine. Most people have it mapped to some other button, but Raycast is like a really powerful software, TLDR. You can go to their website, check them out. I really love Raycast. And you don't need like paid versions of anything. You don't need like paid version of Notion. You don't need like paid version of Raycast as well. So you go to Raycast and basically what it does is it calls the Notion API, which means you'll have to create like Notion integration right here. You can essentially go to connections right here. You can go to add a connection right here. And then you can click on developer portal right here. And it's gonna load in a while. And what you can do from that screen is like create like a new API key. I'm not going to show you guys mine because of course there's like a security issue, but let me show you how this actually works. So you click like a, command, like whatever hotkey you have mapped out, and you can say something like, text form or something like that. And once you hit refresh, you can call this from like any point of time from like anywhere on the screen itself. You will see that at your designated place, this will automatically come up. So imagine that you are, let's just see, working on Excalibur. You can be working on Chrome. You can be we're doing something in Codex, and you immediately have a thought, oh damn, I forgot to take out groceries. No worries, we got you. Take groceries with you. And just hit like enter, and that's about it. It will automatically sync here in some time, like the amount of time it takes for Notion API to kind of get this. There's like a small bit of delay, like 5 to 10 seconds, but that's about it. So all of this is currently available here. You can set this up. I also added UI elements for you guys as well. So go ahead with it, play around. I hope this really helps you, especially like stay focused on a task for a longer period of time.